This is a cool class because we've been able to learn about the entire process it takes into putting up a show. This class is called Museums, Galleries, and Curators. We've learned everything from the proper lighting to hanging the pieces of art on the walls and to making sure we're storing them properly at the end of the exhibition. Some cool activities I'm looking forward to are going to the art barn, being able to make prints ourselves, and also we'll be taking a field trip to New York City to visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The advantage of taking this course at Bucknell is that we have the Samek Art Museum just within walking distance of our classroom, and Professor Anderson makes this course really fun because she is super knowledgeable about all the subject matter, and because we have a really low student to faculty ratio, we're really able to get the attention from our professors. I've always been interested in the art industry and the art world. However, because I'm a management student, I wasn't sure what types of career opportunities there were. But this course has really showed me that there's lots of different choices for me.